there are quite a few of the questions. There are questions which relates to some genuine concerns that you might have in terms of some of these kind of things that I have gone through this. Do you think that I will need to behave in any different manner with the set of people who come into the institute? Because we have always seen people from this institute as nothing less than Superman and gods. So is there actually something of that sort? Are there any specific subjects or specific skills or specific competencies that I can pick in the next few months that I have to leverage the possible opportunity, not just even this time, but in life in general? Then if I do not make through in this particular interview, should I see it as a failure, or is there a better way to look at it? Right? Okay. How do I basically counter the response that I will get from my friends and peer if I fail? Is that a failure?
Has there been an opposite experience also? Somebody who was in the middle asked something and then went away ki nahi isko nahi lena hai. Has that happened?
That's a very interesting question. See, there are some of the people who ask very superficial questions.
Yeah, just पूछने के लिए.
Right. मतलब वो हमारे क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन बोलते हैं ना, जिसमें कि मतलब आप क्लास में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो उसके आपके नंबर मिलते हैं. तो उसी बेसिस पे वो आ जाते हैं. कोई भी क्वेश्चन गलत क्वेश्चन नहीं होता है. सबसे बड़ा मजे का चीज जो मैं सबको बताता हूँ कि आपको लर्निंग को अगर देखना है, यू शुड लर्न इट एज अ सीरीज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस rather than a series of answers. Right? Because a question doesn't have any ego. A question doesn't have any right or wrong. A question is a question.
Yeah, true.
Answers are ego. The biggest challenge I have with the answer that it comes with a full stop. Right? And after full stop, there is nothing.
Right.
A question ends with a question mark.
All possibilities.
Right? Thinking of a lot of things, right? So there is nothing called a wrong question as such, but if you have asked an ill or under-thought question and you can't go through, for instance, whatever this question that person asked, and he didn't have the basis to say that why he has the sensitivity to this kind of a thing, then I would say कि यार ये क्या बकवास कर रहा है यार.
इसी से सुन लिया इसने. हाँ.
ये मतलब कभी तुमको अच्छा अरुण सर के क्लास में बैठे थे, अरुण सर ने ऐसे एग्जांपल बोल दिया तो तुम यहाँ पे मेरे पे चिपका दिए उसको.
Very visible to the interviewer अगर की बैकग्राउंड है कि नहीं.